Hi Craft Angels, Vanessa here from Ranger Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with my DT package from Dust Fairies, and Safia sent this to me to design a few things for her, and I pre-opened it, but I haven't peeked yet, so let's get into this package, see what I have in store to use. And sorry for all the crinkling, but that's the way it goes. So, what I see is I see a mandala already, which is this. Very, very cute. Oops, something fell off somewhere. Okay, we got the mandala. I'm gonna put the mandala up there. I see a dangle. So we're gonna remove the dangle. Let's take the dangle out. And then I see she tied it with some sari ribbon. So we're gonna untie that. And we have that up here. And here's a little card from Miss Safia. DT Kit, thank you, it says. It's really cute. Thank you for letting me do a few designs for you. Let me try to get this folded a little so it's not everywhere. So we're going to take a look at what is in the actual kit. We have this beautiful piece of sari here. Oh, and I like it. One side has red on, or maroonish red on it, and the other side is that. Whoa. Okay, so we got that piece. Let's remove that from the camera. Then we have this wedding invitation card. Oh, that is pretty. So we got that to work with. We'll see. Ideas are coming to me. We have this applique, which is gold. We have this gorgeous applique. We have this one. This one. I'm loving this. Okay, so more fabric. Oh, this one's like a dark blue into a teal. See how this one is? It's teal here, and it goes into like a purple or like a dark blue. It's not showing up the right color on camera though. So we have that. We have this piece, which is like a blue-green. And there's some pretty good sized pieces, so I have ideas already in my head as I'm looking through all this. This one's gold and teal. Look at that, how pretty. Okay, so we got that. Then we have these two or three pieces of cardstock. We'll see what we can do with that. Then we have the little package here of the trims. So we have this purple and gold trim. I don't want to pull that and have everything unravel on me. So we have that one. We have this one's like magenta, but this one's like a royal purple with gold, and it has some how they call it, paisley on it. We have this one. This is another paisley. And we have all the appliques here. We got blue, well, royal purple, green, red. Then we have like a rust color here. This one's hot pink. Another hot pink. Then we have blue, royal blue, and red. So this is my DT kit for Safia. So let's see what I come up with, guys. Let's see. Um, so I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank Miss Safia for giving me the opportunity to design for her. And I will say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, look at all these beauties. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.